I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see blocked contacts on your Apple iPhone. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your device is displayed. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Phone. The Phone menu is shown. Step 3. Scroll down and then tap Blocked Contacts in this list. All of the contacts you've blocked are shown. You can unblock any of these contacts by swiping very slowly from right to left across that specific contact to display an Unblock button and then tap Unblock. That contact will be unblocked immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.